Once upon a time, in the cold lands of the Arendelle kingdom, Elsa and Olaf were leading their friendly lives. But this time, an unexpected disaster knocked on their doors. Elsa looked out over the scenery from the palace balcony, her lips puckered with concern. Olaf rushed to her side with cheerful eyes. "What's wrong, Elsa? Is something the matter?" he asked eagerly. Elsa took a deep breath and began, "Olaf, there's a danger in the frozen kingdom. The evil Ice Queen has kidnapped my sister Anna." Olaf's eyes widened. "Oh no. This is very serious. What are we going to do?" Elsa nodded decisively. "We must take action to rescue her. We need to track down the Ice Queen and safely bring Anna back." Just then, Olaf's body trembled for a moment, and his eyes widened in astonishment. In front of him stood a polar bear enveloped in a magical light. Elsa recoiled in surprise. "Olaf," she asked, mispronouncing his name. Olaf roared with joy, "Yes, Elsa. I've magically turned into a polar bear. I don't know what to do, but I want to help you." Elsa smiled gratefully. "That's wonderful. It's lovely to have you with us, Olaf. Now, together, we will rescue Anna." And so, Elsa and Olaf set out to save the frozen kingdom from evil. As Elsa and Olaf journeyed through the icy lands of the frozen kingdom, they were determined to overcome every challenge that came their way. However, the biggest obstacle ahead was the path leading to the Ice Queen's castle, shrouded in ice. Olaf exclaimed excitedly, "Elsa, look. That castle could be where Anna is being held." Elsa examined the castle carefully and nodded, "Yes, most likely. But we must find a way to get inside." Olaf exclaimed, "With my polar bear power, I can pass through the ice." "I can help you, Elsa." Elsa smiled gratefully, "Thank you, Olaf. Together, we can do this." They advanced together, and Olaf helped them pass through the ice using his magical power. Finally, when they reached the castle, they were met with a door made of ice. Olaf asked hopefully, "Elsa, can you open this door?" Elsa opened the door with a strong gust of icy wind, and they stepped inside. However, what they saw inside surprised them. The Ice Queen was holding Anna captive, surrounded by walls of ice. Anna exclaimed with joy, "Elsa, Olaf. You've come." Elsa ran to her sister and hugged her. "Don't worry, Anna. We will rescue you." But at that moment, the Ice Queen appeared with a sinister smile and whispered, "You're not going anywhere. You're here now, and you'll stay with me forever." As Elsa and Olaf stood before the Ice Queen, a great battle was about to begin. Elsa, Olaf, and Anna stood facing the Ice Queen in the icy castle hall. The cold laughter of the Ice Queen echoed around the room. Mockingly, the Ice Queen said, "You cannot escape from me. You're here now, under my power." Elsa said firmly, "We will stop your evil plans. We will rescue my sister and our friend." Olaf bravely added, "Yes, we will stand against you. Together, we are strong." Anna said hopefully, "Yes, we will never give up. In front of your cold heart, there is warmth and unity." The Ice Queen angrily shouted, "You fools! You will see my power," and waved her hands magically. As the battle raged on, Elsa's powerful gust of icy wind shattered the Ice Queen's magical ice shield, and the walls of ice around Anna melted away. Anna exclaimed with joy, "Elsa, you did it." Elsa, breathless, said, "It's not over yet. Let's get out of here," and they quickly moved to escape the castle. But the Ice Queen attempted one last move to stop them. However, with the solidarity and love of Olaf, Elsa, and Anna, they overcame the Ice Queen's powers and safely made their way out. As they emerged outside, Elsa, Olaf, and Anna laughed together powerfully, continuing to work together to fill the frozen kingdom with peace and happiness once again. And thus, the power of friendship and solidarity was enough to overcome any challenge.